I wanted to share some tips on how to effectively use barbells during aqua yoga so that you can build strength and stay out of pain. My name is Krista Fairbrother and I'm an aqua yoga coach and trainer. Today we're going to do chair pose with barbells. So nice smooth inhale, exhale, bend your knees, sink in your imaginary chair. Often when we're using the barbells in the pool, it will be with our elbows out and it's like we're acting like Arnold Schwarzenegger and it's kind of uncomfortable on my elbows and my neck. I'm going to be more effective if I can think about keeping my shoulders, my elbows, and my hands all moving in the same plane. I'm building strength because I'm displacing some water, getting those barbells under the surface of the water and working hard to keep my feet attached to the pool floor, but by aligning my joints, I'm not straining my neck or my elbows. Thanks so much for practicing with me. Check out my website, kristafairbrother.com, for more aqua yoga tips. Thank you.